Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You open YouTube Studio and go straight to Content, choose the video and click Editor. Once loaded, confirm you have a backup or select Save a Copy, because changes can be permanent. Move the playhead to the first moment you want to remove, then drag the trim handles to set in and out points. Make that initial cut now so you have a clean starting point. This reduces edit complexity later and keeps your timeline focused on the parts that matter. Once you have trimmed, split the clip at key moments to isolate scenes you want to move or remove. Rearrange segments by dragging them on the timeline and delete filler. Add music from the audio library, then adjust the track volume and add fades so dialogue stays clear. Use the blur tool for faces or sensitive info and place end screens or cards. Make sure to preview at normal and slower speeds to catch timing issues, and when you finish, choose Save or Save as New Video. Understand save overwrites while Save as New keeps the original. Wait for processing and then review the published result. Check captions, audio sync, thumbnail, and end screens. If you see problems, revert to the original version and re-edit or upload a corrected export from your editor. A common troubleshooting tip: if changes won't apply, clear browser cache or try another browser. Then reopen Editor and reapply edits to resolve UI.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.